Hi Autodesk friends! We will be supporting Philippines Department of Education CyberExpo. Good news to event participants! We will be giving away 3 months LinkedIn Premium and LinkedIn Learning subscription to attendees of the Future of Making Things, happening during breakout sessions at Plenary Hall at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Grabbing the giveaway is easy. Just fill out the form in the description below. Sponsored by LinkedIn Learning, Autodesk, and LinkedIn Learning Local Metro South. With LinkedIn Learning subscription, you can learn Autodesk Maya for animation, 3ds Max for game development, Fusion 360 for 3D printing, AutoCAD for 2D drafting, Revit for building information modeling, Inventor for product design and engineering simulations, Sketchbook Pro for digital painting, and many more Autodesk softwares for you to master. In addition, you can prepare for Autodesk certification exams through LinkedIn Learning as well. Fill out the form now and see you on the 13th of March, 5 p.m. in DepEd CyberExpo.